When it comes to cruising in luxury and style, the newly improved EW-36 from EWheels is the way to go. This three-wheel mobility scooter is fast and dependable, with top speeds of up to 18 miles per hour, with a range of 40 miles on a single charge. You'll love the styling of the new aluminum wheels, with wider tubeless tires for a smooth ride, along with powerful rear disc brakes for more responsive braking. The EW-36 is also a breeze to drive, with a tight turning radius that makes getting around fun and easy. The plush EW-36 has been designed with your comfort in mind and features a fully adjustable seat for that perfect driving position, along with armrests that fold up and down for easy access. There's even a seat belt for added security. You'll also find the easy-to-get-to charging port right under the seat. With the EW-36 scooter, you're always in control with an easy-to-read dashboard that includes a variable speed dial that enables you to reduce the power down to a speed of just 1 mile per hour. To the right of the dashboard is the throttle and reverse switch that enables you to move forward and back to handle any situation with ease. There's also a simple lighting system that controls the headlights and turn signals, along with the standard rear-view mirrors that are also included. Convenience is always key, and the EW-36 has you covered for trips to the park or to the store with an abundance of storage for all your items. You'll find a large lockable storage compartment under the seat and a newly improved larger-sized basket attached to the back, right where you need it. We also know that it's important to stay in touch, so we now include a phone holder and a USB charging port right at your fingertips. If security is a concern with your scooter, you will be pleased to know that EWheels scooters come with a standard key remote with alarm and power capabilities at the touch of a button. And if all of this wasn't enough, our scooters come with a 3-year warranty and are shipped directly to you, fully assembled and ride-ready. Just charge it up and off you go. So if you're looking for a stylish scooter that has it all, look no further than the EWheels EW-36. With a variety of colors, you'll find one that's just right for you.